I still gotta clean the other side of the door, but that's not important right now. Okay, so we picked up this mirrored sticker, and we're gonna hope we can get it on somewhat decently, right? Although I'm dropping stuff on the floor, and then it's getting stuck to my feet, so I gotta clean this whole bathroom when I'm done. But I think we're gonna put it on the inside, just because if I'm shaving, I want to see what I'm shaving, right? I don't need to stand in front of the mirror to shave. In fact, I'm going to take the mirror out. Which I think I might want a mirror on the outside as well. But we're not there yet. We're only to where we're thinking about the inside of it. And I mean, I did debate whether I wanted the mirror on the inside or the outside. And I think I've decided I want it on the inside. At this point though, it's going to be too late to change my mind. So So you're going to try to get all the air pockets out of it, which I mean we got a pretty good one right there. You get it? Nope, not quite there yet. That looks like most of it got out right there. Now this isn't exactly a flat level door, right? I mean it's kind of like a stained door. I still got a little bit of an air pocket there. I'm not going to worry too much about it though. And this is supposed to be waterproof. Whether it is or not, I don't know yet. But it's supposed to be. And we got 2 rules of this. I thought one for each door, but it's going to be a little bit shy covering the door. Now we can take the rest of this, probably do, you know, a little bit and cut some more and cut. I might do that later. I'm not doing that right now. Right now, I'm going to worry about getting this hung because I'm only worried with how she's going to look. Now, granted, the glass is not flat, okay? So it's not going to create a perfect mirror. But it's actually giving us a pretty nice effect. I like it. It's like a mosaic mirror. I like it. Looks good. Looks almost perfect. Which door is that? That is the outside door. So that one I gotta hang second. I gotta hang the other one first. Which means we gotta get the other roll out and do the other door. And then we gotta try to figure out how we're gonna do that side. If we're gonna do that side. I don't know. We'll see how it looks on the inside. There we go. All right, finally got it. Finally got it, man. So we can see, I got a little bit left to do here. That would have been easier to do with it off. It's okay, we got a little bit left. We got a little bit left to do. Got this. A little bit of a gap there. Oh well. You can barely see it when you're looking at it. Of course, the camera's right at eye level with it, so it's going to be a little more visible that way. What do you think, though? Think it looks okay? I think it does.